2025 turned out to be a pretty remarkable year for the metals markets. Now, in a typical year, gold's 68% gain would be eye-catching on its own, but that move looked relatively modest next to platinum's 130% surge and silver's astounding 150% rally. While each metal had its own set of catalysts, several key drivers were shared. For gold, geopolitical uncertainty remained the dominant theme. And although gold tends to move alongside other metals, industrial metals had an additional tailwind, growing enthusiasm around AI and the electrification needed to support it. Now, the end of 2025 and the opening days of 2026 brought sharp volatility. Silver hit new highs on December 28th, only to drop more than 16% over the next 3 days. Then the narrative shifted again. Heading into the new year, the prevailing view was that geopolitical tensions tied to trade and global disputes might cool as the administration entered its second year. That outlook was challenged early Saturday morning, January 3rd, when reports surfaced of escalating U.S. military action involving Venezuela. Markets reacted quickly. Gold jumped roughly 3.5%, while the more volatile silver surged nearly 13%, reflecting renewed demand for perceived safe haven assets. Now, looking ahead, attention may turn towards domestic economic data. Key employment figures are scheduled for release on January 9th. If that data comes in weaker than expected, markets could begin pricing in lower interest rates, an environment that has historically been supportive for metals. Now, if a trader believes that silver will continue higher from here, they could buy the March micro silver contract at 80.50 and target a move back to the all-time highs of 82.60. Now, a stop for this trade could be set at 79 even. This trade can make $2,100 if the target is reached and risks $1,500 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that silver will head lower from here, they could sell that March micro silver contract at 80.50 and target a move to the January lows of 70.90. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed above at 85.50. This trade could make $9,600 if the target is reached and risks $5,000 if you're stopped out of your level.